he can't see the world like the rest of us can.
While some say the swap to virtual learning will last only days, it is still too long for parents like Heather and Frank Siebel. Jamie and Colton both have needs, she says, that have already been a struggle to be met in a COVID-19 world. With a son who is deemed legally blind, learning on an iPad is near impossible. Physical therapies are missed because, again, it's all virtual. And she says for years she was told to limit screen time. Now she's frustrated. She's being told to increase it.
Our children should not have to suffer.
And she's not alone. For the second time, parents are pushing for in-person education and protesting outside the health department in Norristown. Just hours before Health Secretary Dr. Rachel Levine says the White House is predicting the state will run out of ICU beds by December.
I have issued an order requiring anyone who visits Pennsylvania from another state to get tested within 72 hours before entering the state. They need a negative test within 72 hours before entering the state.
Those who travel to and from Pennsylvania have to quarantine and/or be COVID tested, and masks now must be worn indoors and out, including in gyms, even if you're more than 6 feet apart.
It really is the responsibility of businesses to enforce the universal masking orders. Now, we don't want businesses and as they enforce those to lead to conflict.
But some parents say these orders should have been in place sooner, before schools were caught in the middle.
Shutting schools down seems to take the children and consider them last.
Parents say they have a lack of trust in the system and say despite doing what they've been advised to do, cases around them keep climbing. Montgomery County says schools can reopen in December to in-person learning if cases can be controlled and there's no risk of staffing shortages. In Norristown, Deanna Durante, NBC10 News.